I don't know much about women, but the one thing I do know is that they will always appreciate the little things the most. Because my friend that was a girl started dating this guy whose family was super wealthy. So he took her to Greece, Japan, Italy. But the thing that made her way more emotional than any of those trips was when he surprised her by bringing her a coffee from her favorite coffee shop. And she literally cried. But the reason for that was because he remembered her order without her having to even tell him. And remember, he's taking her to Italy. She ain't cry for that. All she did there was take some pics for the gram. But he gets her a grande coffee and remembers to put 2 pumps of vanilla in it and a splash of almond milk, and all of a sudden, she's sobbing. This is very inspiring though, because I'm not balling enough to take a girl on a trip to Italy, but I can buy her a coffee. Wish I could go to Italy.